This camera can take still images and videos. It has two lenses. One acts like a normal camera and the other a microscope. It is crazy. I can choose camera, take a picture. There's the photo. Easy peasy. The fun happens when you rotate the lens to the other position. The light comes on and now you are in microscope mode. This can go 400 times magnification. That is outrageously close. Here is a leaf I found outside, and when I look at it, oh my gosh, it looks like an alien world. Here are some clovers. This is the edge of the clover. Now I zoom all the way in. Unbelievable. Strawberry. I zoom up on one of the pits. It looks like a mountain coming out of a crater. That is one seed. You have a 3.5-inch screen on the back. Autofocus is built in. Use the plus minus to zoom in and zoom out. There's the take video or picture button. Very simple to understand, very simple to use. On the bottom you have the USB recharge interface and a door. There's already an SD card inside here. It also comes with instructions, microfiber cloth to clean the lens, and this very long, very nice lanyard. This is good for adults and children. If I had this as a child, I would be outside using the microscope on everything. This will almost certainly boost STEM curiosity, science, technology, engineering, and math. I really like having a camera that's also a microscope.